Hello everyone, myself Hans. Today we are going to solve the problem of partial differential equation. Here in the given question, find the partial differential equation by eliminating arbitrary function f from z is equal to y square plus 2f bracket 1 by x plus log y. Let's solve the problem. Given function is z is equal to y square plus 2f 1 by x plus log y. Let this equation 1. Differentiating partially equation 1 with respect to x, we get del z upon del x. When differentiating equation partially with respect to x, treating y as a constant, then y square is 0 and 2 f dash 1 by x plus log y, and from here differentiating del z upon del x, differentiating 1 by x with respect to x, that is minus of x square. When differentiating rough when differentiate del of del x 1 by x, we have to put del y del x into x power minus 1. We know that the formula del y del x of x power n, that is nx n minus 1, and from here that is minus of x minus of 1 minus of 1, that is minus x power minus of 2, that is minus 1 upon x square is the differentiation of 1 by x with respect to x. This is we have to write del z upon del x is p, and multiplying minus of x square cross multiplication, that is x square minus of x square is equal to 2 f dash 1 by x plus log y. This is equation second. Differentiating partially equation 1 with respect to y, we get, when differentiating partially with respect to y equation 1, treating x as a constant, that is del z upon del y is equal to 2y plus 2f dash 1 upon x plus log y, and partially differentiate with respect to y, that is 1 plus x plus log y, and 1 upon x is constant and log y is differentiation, that is 1 upon y. From here del z upon del y is written as q, then q is equal to, on taking LCM, that is 2y square plus 2f dash 1 plus x plus log y upon y. From here on cross multiplication, that is qy is equal to 2y 2y square plus 2f dash 1 by x plus log y, and from here taking 2 common, that is qy is equal to 2, taking common, that is y square plus of f dash 1 by x plus log y. This is equation second, third. We have to eliminate arbitrary function. Then using equation once again 2 of y square, adding equation second and third, we get adding left hand side to left hand side and right hand side to right hand side, that is 2f dash. Now once again taking qy, taking 2y square into left hand side, that is minus of 2y square is equal to 2f dash 1 by x plus log y. This is equation third. Dividing equation 2 with third, we get dividing left hand side to left hand side and right hand side to right hand side. The equation 2 of left hand side is minus of x square p upon, and equation third of left hand side is qy minus 2y square is equal to, and equation second of right hand side is 2f dash 1 plus x plus log y upon equation third of right hand side is 2f dash 1 plus x plus log y. From here we have to cancel out, then the remaining is minus of x square p is equal to qy minus 2y square. We have to write on multiplying, taking minus x square p and plus of 2y square and minus of qy is equal to 0. Taking qy and minus of 2y square into left hand side and multiplying both the side with minus, that is x square p minus of 2y square and plus of qy is equal to 0. This is the required solution of the given problem. Thank you class.